Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Teams webinars with Microsoft Stream, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Locate the calendar icon on the left panel. Click on the calendar icon. Select the meetings option from the drop-down. Click on the schedule a meeting button. In the new meeting window, fill in the meeting title. Set the date and time for your webinar. Choose the duration of your webinar. In the Invitees section, add the email addresses of your attendees. Toggle on the Register option to allow attendees to register for the webinar. Click on Meeting Options to customize settings. Adjust settings for presenters and attendee permissions as needed. Click Save to schedule the meeting. Once the meeting is created, you will see it on your calendar. Click on the meeting to open details. Select the Copy Link option to share the registration link. Now, open Microsoft Stream in your browser. Sign in with your Microsoft account. Click on Create in the top navigation bar. Select Live Event from the drop-down. Fill in the event title and description. Schedule the start date and time to match your Teams webinar. In Event Permissions, select the appropriate audience setting. Click Next and review the settings. Select Teams as the production method. Click Next to proceed to the next screen. On the Stream tab, check that the streaming settings align with your webinar needs. Go back to Microsoft Teams. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.